Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two bottle brush cleaning kits. So this one over here, this is everything that comes with it. This one over here, this is everything that comes with it. Both of them are made by the same company, Holikme. This is the 6-pack. It's got 6 items. It's got this really neat cleaning tool for cleaning the lip of a glass. That's like a little silicone there, and you can scrub, get some lipstick off or whatever if you need to clean that really good. That's also some stiff bristles and then some soft ones. Now both of them have a water bottle cleaner. We can see the heads are a little bit different. I like that this one's rounded. This one is more, it's got like a flat area to it. They're both about the same strength as far as bristles. They both have a metal handle. Now over here, this is the white one. You do get, and it's got some blue color in it too, but you get a lot more pieces with it. You get like a really long brush for cleaning straws. This is a really cool for cleaning straws, and a bunch of straw cleaning tools here. This one's really, really soft for cleaning different things. And then this little bitty one here. And over here we get the straw cleaning, brought 3 of those. 2-pack of the bristle ones for cleaning water bottles, but this tool here comes with the 6-pack over here. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.